Mm. Yeah. Fani Bhushan sir and Shobha ma'am, Kanian sir. Yeah. So unmute yourself. So Kanian sir, raise the hand. Anybody got any experience now? Any experiences while doing meditation now? How was the meditation? Any third eye experiences or visions or floating experiences? Yeah. Any kind of experiences if you would like to share, you are welcome.
Yeah, after this one, you feel very nice, comfortable, and peaceful.
5 minutes.
Getting.
Yeah, sir, Sridhar sir.
Yeah, after this meditation, you feel comfortable, peace of mind, first of all.
Good.
Any distortion, something in the mind, so you feel comfortable.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. Thanks for sharing your experiences. And after meditation, you have to drink water. Before meditation, you have to drink water. And
Okay.
if you are done with the meditation, you have to drink water because so much of cosmic energy comes now while doing the meditation. So it will take you to the normal state, basically. And it will fill up like it will, the cosmic energy flows through all our nervous system basically. So once you are done with the meditation, you have to drink the water. That is a mandatory. Okay, that is the meditation procedure.
Yeah. Okay.
Shobha ma'am, you would like to share any experience?
Yeah, I feel it is soothing for me.
Okay, great.
Yeah, from what I feel very nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Any third eye visions you got, or visions, or any experiences?
No, still a little distraction is there, but I came to this meditation.
Okay. Every day you have to practice, ma'am.
Yeah.
Every day you make it a point that everybody in the group, like we have to keep a challenge for
Yeah.
40 days or any, like we do Hanuman Chalisa, Parayanam, or like Hindu if you are. Like that, we need to keep a challenge and we need to start doing the meditation by keeping one thought, by releasing one thought, one good sankalpa. Sankalpa means nothing but thought. So we need to release the thought to the universe for our good or universal good. These two thoughts we need to keep in our mind and release the thought. Then 40 days, if you meditate on the same thought, definitely it will get manifested.
Okay.
That you are giving the thought your energy. Basically, thought comes from our consciousness, and it creates some energy. And that energy has the manifestation power, and it will get manifested in the physical world, like that. So thought carries some energy. Every thought will have some energy. That's why we need to be very much conscious and aware of our thoughts, what we are thinking. Always our thoughts should be miraculous or positive. But it's really difficult uh, to achieve that state. That's why we do practice meditation to come out of our karmic cycle If we come out of our karmic cycle easily, our each and every thought will have the manifestation power. Each and every thought has that manifestation power. So that's why we should be very cautious what we are thinking, what we are what we think. That's it. And the present moment carries so much of energy, because once we close our eyes and claps our hands and legs and sit in meditation, we get so much of energy, right? Once we are with our breath, we get so much of energy. That energy we should utilize for our good or society's good. That's it. So that how wisely we are using our energy, that matters a lot. And pyramid will uh, three times it will enhance the energy. It's a acts as a catalyst. So under pyramid, if you do meditation, you'll get three times more energy. Okay. So once you are disturbed or anything, you have to practice meditation before going to bed. Before going to bed in the night every day. How much ever is the age? Suppose if my age is 35, I have to do 35 minutes of meditation every day. That is sufficient enough for me for my daily purpose. Okay. Uh, we do get angry or frustration or whatever disturbances we get because of our lack of energy only. Energy is everything, basically. Energy is an electromagnetic field. So we attract what we think. The energy comes because of energy matters because of our thoughts. So always miraculous and positive thinking and thoughts, keeping ourselves at miraculous and positive thoughts, keeping ourselves at those thoughts. If we get the negative thought, we need to cut it. If we cannot cut it, we need to dig the reason behind it, why I'm getting keep on getting these kind of negative thoughts to us. Once we realize something, definitely that negative thought will go. That is called, that's what Krishna says, gnana didagda karmana. So once that realization is nothing but the the realization is nothing but clearing of our karma, basically. Karma is nothing but uh, the karma in thoughts is very much high, basically. Okay. Even in thinking also, we should not do harm for ant. That's what everybody says, but we cannot do it. For that we have to do sadhana. So all whatever problems or whatever financial problems, social problems, or emotional problems or mental problems, whatever we face and come across in our life, is because we create through our subconscious mind or unconscious mind or conscious mind. uh, we did not think, but I got this kind of situation, like that we do often think. But until unless we think, nothing we attract. Even if you believe it or not, it's 100% true. Okay. That that you need to you will learn by practicing only. Everyday practice of meditation, reading books, doing sharing our experiences and all, and practicing vegetarianism, basically, that helps to keep our thinking very harmonious as well as positive and miraculous. So always either we should not be negative, at least we should be neutral about that particular situation, that particular person, that particular situation which we are undergoing. Sometimes life we get so much of turmoil, in our life, why I'm facing this kind of turmoil. But for each and every problem, there is a spiritual side of it. We need to definitely dig into it and realize it. Otherwise, we will definitely carry it to our next lifetime. So, the aim of a human life or taking human birth is to make this lifetime as a last lifetime. Uh, if we have a good karma or bad karma, definitely we will have a next life. Okay, but we should neutralize our karma. Then our birth will be in our hands, basically. Okay, that's why, like meditation, why we do practice meditation to become Buddha. Basically, in PSSM, Pyramid Spiritual Societies, why everybody comes to become a Buddha. Once we are Buddha or Jesus, or like once we are God, whatever God thinks, God will get, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So, God, whatever God wishes, either for himself or for others, it will happen, right? So, that we need to achieve by being on the earth only. Without disturbing others, without distracting others, we can be a God. Okay? So, for that, we need to practice meditation. We need to read so many books. There is so much of wisdom um, in PSSM website, as well as there are many websites. Not all PSSM website is providing many new age author books. Basically, those all you can read. Okay. Uh, Still you are suffering even if you are practicing meditation, you are doing many things, you are doing, still you are suffering. After actually by practicing 40 days meditation, by keeping some thought, you will definitely come out of the problem which you are going through, the current problem which you are undergoing. Still you are suffering means internally our inner should be pure. First of all, to purify ourselves every day, how take bath, like that every day we need to practice meditation. Okay, also, there are so many worlds and there are so many astral masters who helps us, but the thing is our mind will not allow. That is a problem. We need to master our mind. Okay, mastering of the mind also we will get by practicing. The present moment we need to accept. For that, we need to surrender for the situation which we are undergoing. Once we surrender ourselves, whatever the situation or problem or the person whom they are giving suffering and all, naturally, universe will show you some way how to go about it and all. Okay, there are many worlds, many astral worlds, and many mm, masters, astral masters. Astral masters are nothing but uh, already who attend salvation are called astral masters, right? So we also need to be try to be like that. We can also be like them, like Lord Venkateshwara, Lord Buddha, Jesus Christ, like that. Once we attain that state, definitely we can solve our problems and we can help others to solve their problems. In case if they come to us, we'll give the righteous spiritual solution. We can be a spiritual guide, basically. Okay, so that's why we practice sadhana. This sadhana is for attaining moksha or salvation. Okay, These all things we know, but always the present moment is always a question for us, right? So for that, our dreams or experiences will guide us, where to go, where not to go, whom to talk, whom not to talk, whom to carry, where my energy is getting drained, where I'm getting energy. So we should be able to identify. We should be able to chip in a place where we gain energy, where we gain knowledge, where we gain, where we attract good things in our life, where we attract abundance, where we will be happy always. Okay, we need to find ourselves. For that, we need to practice any art. Art will give so much of happiness, like a music or childhood passion. Like it can be drawing, or it can be practicing music, or practicing writing, like drawing, different drawings and art will give definitely a good energy basically, because it work when we do art. Basically we work with our right brain. Okay, right brain is a spiritual side basically. So that is nothing but Saraswati component. That's why Lord Saraswati is called as mother of arts, right? uh, Here I don't know, there are other religion people are also there, but in case like mm, this is one component of Saraswati, because here we need to consider everyone as astral masters, everyone else as spirit guides only. Okay, so we know everything, like but what is our purpose, what is at present moment, we present moment, what we have to choose is a question mark. Okay, that our soul will guide us through meditation and dreams and our experiences, what to choose basically. Then you will be happy at that time. Once you are happy, you will not get anger, fear, you will not carry fear, frustration, and all. You will reduce the karma. Okay, uh, otherwise the no, improper conveyance and all will add extra karma to us, and we will start to understand people very much better basically, what other peoples are thinking and all, like by increasing our telepathic ability and all, we can read the thoughts of other people. So accordingly if we act, automatically our soul will guide, right? Automatically what happens, we reduce karma, we reduce so much of bad karma, or we don't say that word, just uh, we start creating a good karma only, basically good karma in the sense, we'll just respond, will not react, basically. Okay, so that's what the present moment, being in the present moment. For to be in the present moment, we need so much of practice basically, that because that will carry so much of energy. Being in the present moment will carry so much of energy. Okay, we how money is important in physical world. Physical world has physical world gives so much of importance for money, right? In the cosmic world, energy is important. That means money equals to energy in cosmos. Spirit world, energy is important. And physical, like how the money is important in the physical world. Okay? We need to achieve the balance between both. One is spirit side and one is physical side. That balance is needed. Once we are at complete balance, then our physical health, mental health, emotional health, social health, spiritual health are at balance. Once these are at balance, we will enjoy, because we came here on this earth for enjoying only. Instead of it, if we suffer with disease or any relationship problem or social problem or emotional problem, we cannot enjoy, and we just stop our learning. Okay, so for all this, definitely a spiritual solution will be there. That will come once you are with the present moment only. Okay, for achieving, for being with the present moment, always we need to do this sadhana, always continuous sadhana. That is very much necessary. Yeah, if anybody has any doubts, you can ask. Like doubts, or if you not doubts, it's just like a sharing. This is what I don't know. I wanted to tell. I wanted to convey. You can feel free to express yourself. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh, from your speech, one thing I can say, we have told when the negative things comes or negative things comes, at least we have to be keep how we think in different way for the positive side. That is the really nice. If it is not able to concentrate, at least we have to keep on without disturbing the others.
Yes.
Yeah, that point I used to always tell to others also, and I
See, sir, if any situation we are attracting means that particular component which is getting hurt to us, definitely there will be something in us. That's
yes,
why it hurts us. Otherwise, it will not hurt. That you need to identify that particular quality, because in nature, uh, mm, nothing will come to us without any reason.
correct,
that that particular thing, suppose if that particular person is hurting in that particular aspect, you need to identify somewhere you are doing the same mistake, not with that particular person, some other person you might be doing that. If you correct it now, automatically that disturbance will go.
correct,
That you need to identify. For identifying that, you need awareness, right?
correct.
The
That's
for achieving the awareness, you need to do meditation. That is the
yes,
funda, basically. Once we correct our thought, automatically the disturbance will go. Because God, what is God? God means He is a very pure, always thoughtless, and he channels so much of energy, right? Like how we feel in physical world by giving offering some every fruits or vegetables or whatever it is. If we prepare something for festival, we just offer it to everyone, right?
yes,
Like that, like that, if we offer, if we have so much of energy, automatically that offering will go away naturally. People will feel happy who surrounds us. Okay, so that we need to achieve. That will give so much of soul satisfaction. Basically, we will be happy always. So we attract people who needs happiness, basically. So that's why that happiness and blissfulness and all, if we maintain it, automatically the surroundings will be happy. Automatically, naturally, the peace will come automatically. Okay.
fine. Thank you.
Yeah, everybody says the same thing, but we need a practice, regular
Correct.
practice. Regular practice is required. Regular experience sharing, book reading, a practice and practice of meditation, and all to achieve the awareness, basically. Once you achieve the awareness, you will have the power with you. So the present moment you can achieve easily. That is nothing but the power of now. That's it. That awareness is nothing but a power of now. That's it. That you need to achieve basically. So everything will be in our control. Control in the sense it's not control. Whatever happens, it will. We will know it before itself. Our telepathy, intuition, our Atindriya Shakti means the powers, spiritual powers.
Yes.
It will once you increase the spiritual power, automatically everything will be at that place. Physical, mental, social, spiritual, and emotional health. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
I have one question.
Yes, sir. Tell.
As, as you mentioned earlier, that you have an age, and based on that, you have to do a 35 minutes to meditation. Is it the
Can you
same like
open
based
your
on?
camera, sir, once, if you don't mind?
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
I have one. Yeah, you have mentioned your age is 35 and based on 35 minutes. Is it the based on the ages you have to continue meditation, or how is it?
Actually, it is required. Basically, soul will not have age. Basically, suppose if you do practice of meditation in your previous lifetimes rigorously, in this lifetime, it is not that much difficult to get into the meditation and master the meditation. Okay. Uh, okay, but you need to know. You will know. See. You will get once you get the state of mindfulness. For achieving the state of mindfulness, you need to practice, sir. Okay, once you achieve that particular state, you will come to know that it is not required. Initially, for beginners, we will say that how much ever your age, that much you have to practice meditation. 3 times a day or 2 times a day, according to their convenience. 45 years means 45 minutes in the morning and 45 minutes in the night is sufficient. That is required for getting enough energy to survive. Like how we fill the tank every day for utilities and all. Like that, you are filling your tank for the next day.
Okay.
If you are with your age, basically. Suppose in your previous lifetimes already you are a master of meditation, and in this lifetime you are starting, the trigger is necessary basically. Some people already masters in their previous lifetimes only. So for them, they don't need much time. They can pick up easily. For achieving the mindfulness, you need to practice meditation. Once you feel that your tank is filled, automatically you'll stop. Understood? Tank in the sense here water we feel that is nothing but the cosmic energy in the spirit world. That is nothing but the cosmic energies comes while sleeping. Okay.
Yeah, I
um,
got it.
Cosmic energy is nothing but water that you can compare in the physical world, how we utilize water. Okay, for our utilities, if the tank is filled, then only you can utilize water. Like that, cosmic energy is there, then only you will, once you have that sufficient energy only, you can respond to the person in a proper way. I hope I acknowledged your questions, sir. Funny Bhushan, sir. Understood, sir?
Yeah, understood. Yeah,
Yeah. Anybody else has any questions? So you have my number in the group, right? So you can, if you have any questions regarding meditation and practicing meditation, you get any dreams or experiences, you please share with me. My name is Ramya, and I'm there in Oneness Meditation Qatar group, basically. Okay. I'll just share my number here. So you can note down this number. And regarding meditation and while practicing meditation, if you get any dreams or experiences related to your practice, you can share on this. You can voice note, otherwise you can text message. If I'm available, I can get back to you. Like I can call you and guide you what you need to correct, how to go about, what to learn, what qualities you need to inculcate so that your life will be very easy. I'm basically a spiritual counselor, spiritual tablets senior counselor. I have done many cases like this, like many got recovery from their headaches, chronic migraine headaches. Okay, many got relieved from gastric problems, and many got relieved from their chronic ear problems and all. Not only that, some financial and social problems also solved under my guidance. So you can feel free to ping me and ask me if you have any questions and queries. Okay, accordingly, I can guide you through your dreams and experiences. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that will help for our communication.
You can share your experiences personally. If you see, we can start daily meditations also in our group. Basically, it will help the people in the group. Basically, everybody, group energies are very much helpful to elevate, to create group consciousness. Group consciousness is very good. And like like group energy means, suppose if anybody is suffering with some emotional or physical disease, sometimes group energies will help them to heal them quickly. Okay. uh, uh, and group sharing also necessary for us, because like attracts like, no, like attracts like, in the sense, we all, maybe we might have met in our previous lifetimes, and again we met here for a particular universal purpose. We do not know who is what, why we have taken this life, why we came here to meet. We all have one group purpose also, so we need to identify that also. Sometimes involving in group purpose also solves many problems. We'll come out of that particular problem. Okay. Problem is nothing, but it's not a problem, it's actually a challenge. We can overcome it. Basically, group energies will help us to. That's why in spirituality, traveling with a group is very much important. We should have a group, basically. Yeah. Okay, friends, I think hope you had a good time. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, everyone. We'll meet again. We often meet. If we are all interested, we can start daily meditations also in Qatar time, 6 to 7 or something like that. It depends on the group's request. We can hold the sessions, and we can like many masters will come and take the sessions, like me, how I shared my wisdom. Like this is very like this is very beginner session. There is so much of wisdom, basically. sometimes by listening to others' experience also we'll get realization and we can come out of that particular problem. That's why sharing of experiences and listening to others' experiences is very much important. Okay. Okay, friends, then it's already 6 o'clock. We will wind up for the day, and you can ping me personally, or if you are interested to host daily meditation sessions, you can let me know your interest. Accordingly, we will plan. I hope we will take this group further. I hope we'll continue our journey.
Sure.
Sankit, are you there, Sankit? Yeah, Sankit, thanks for giving this opportunity, for sharing my wisdom here. And I prepared actually my child has prepared one PPT for Power of Now. I'll share that PPT in group. Just go through the quotes and all. I did not get time to do that. Okay. Okay then, friends. Bye. Have a nice day and happy Vijayadashami for all the Hindu friends. And other regional friends also can enjoy the vibes of Vijayadashami.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best.
Bye.
Same to
Yeah.
you. Okay, thank
Bye.
you.